Can we discuss some of my favorite eyebrow products? Eyebrow services can add up. Lamination, waxing, tinting. But here are some of my favorite eyebrow products. You love a hydrated and conditioned brow? Benefit Woah So Soft Brow Oil. 24-hour brow setter gel. By Benefit, it gives a lamination look. My eyebrows last for hours. It's a great formula. Real precision. Anastasia Beverly Hills is that girl.
It's a wax gel hybrid type formula.
Absolutely love the LA Colors Browie Wowie Brow Pencil. It's a spoolie on one end, makeup at the other. Who doesn't love a good eyebrow stencil kit? I love the eyebrow stamper for the accuracy for the win.
Elf's Clear Mascara Brow Duo Wand.
So I would like to do the Freeze Brow Shaping Wax on the go because I have a couple errands to run, so let's see how it is. So this is one eye done. This eyebrow is not done yet. Can you tell the difference? So this eye has been, eyebrow has been done with this. And this, let me finish the second one. First you gotta do the hairs down. And I'm doing this on the go. Put them down with the, then push them up. All right, then after you do that, you push them down, then you get it in there and you push them up. It's almost giving your eyebrow a lamination. It's almost like you're giving your eyebrow lamination with the wax. Make all your hairs stick up. Then you take the brush and you shape it how you want it. Just up. Does it match? Does it match? And I guess I'm ready to go.